All right, so now we're going to do raising a quotient or a fraction, it's another word for quotient, to a power. So we've got a over b to the m, and I'm not quite sure what that means. Some of you probably already do. Okay, let's be real. I already know what that means, but let's explore this a little. So if I have 4/3 to the third, that means I have 4/3 3 times. So I have 4 over 3 times 4 over 3 times 4 over 3. Well, this just becomes 3 4s multiplied together and 3 3s multiplied together. Okay, let's see what happens when I do the one below. Yes. So this just means that everything would be to the fifth. So it happened 5 times. So there'd be 5 x's, 4, 5 over 5 y's, which just becomes x to the fifth over y to the fifth. That's not bad. All right, so it looks like the rule is really just to take this m and distribute it to both exponents. Now you need to remember that this exponent is a 1 and this exponent is 1. So 1 times m is just 1m and 1 times m is just 1m. So this would become a to the m over b to the m. In other words, that top one's happening m times, the bottom one's happening m times. So this would just become 1 squared over 2 squared, which you could then simplify if you wanted. Now this one's a little trickier. Notice it's a -3. Now whenever we reduce exponents, we always want it to have a positive exponent. It just makes more sense in our brain. So we have g to the -3rd over h to the -3rd. Well, for me, this tells me h is in the wrong place and g is in the wrong place. So I actually need to flip the whole thing over. So now this would be h to the 3rd over g to the 3rd. Now you can do that flip beforehand to make it a positive exponent, or you can do it at the end. It's up to you. All right, so now I want you guys to go ahead and try this problem.